Sometimes when you want to write in literature, about literature, you might want to write about symbols. Symbols are concrete, tangible representations of abstract concepts. In other words, they're things that represent ideas. So, for example, a dove is a thing, it's a bird, and it represents the idea of peace. An eagle is a thing, it's a bird also, and it represents the idea of freedom. So it's often interesting to look through literature and see if there are any symbols that the author has included that might be contributing to the meaning of the story. So you can ask yourself, are there any tangible elements in the story that might represent something broader? And if there are, how do they help enhance the story, and what would the story be like without that element?